Ready? Start. The complainant further goes on to say that the accused kept the money in the front bag of the scooter. Stop. Now, when we see the cross examination of Preetpal Singh Sodhi PW1, it is clear that nothing has been asked in respect of this version. Stop. It was feebly suggested to Preetpal Singh Sodhi PW1 that no amount was paid before executing exhibits P5 to P8, or that it was not paid inside the hotel soon after the agreement. Stop. The witness had clarified on this situation that the amount was paid in the parking area. Stop. He very specifically mentioned in his cross examination that he gave rupees 5,000 with his right hand, and the respondent accused accepted the money with his right hand. Stop. It has also come out in the evidence that the amount of rupees 5,000 was taken out of the front bag of the scooter only after the hand wash test was completed. Stop. Some minor insignificant omissions have been brought which were of no consequence. Stop. In the whole cross examination, the story of demand of the respondent accused prior to the contract and the acceptance by the respondent accused near the scooter stand has not at all been demolished. Stop. This the High Court has completely ignored. Stop. Once this story becomes acceptable, there is no other go but to raise a presumption under section 20 of the Act. Stop. This important provision of section 20 was also ignored by the High Court. Stop. This was again not a case falling under section 20 within bracket 3 of the illegal gratification being trivial so as not to raise presumption the inference of corruption. Stop. It was a substantial amount. Stop. Therefore, section 20 of the Act could not have been ignored. Stop. The High Court has committed an error in ignoring this provision and ignoring the fact that the presumption had to be raised, and on that basis it was up to the respondent accused to explain as to how the amount came in his possession. Stop. In our opinion, this amounts to a perverse appreciation of evidence. Stop. This is the third aspect on which the High Court has faltered. Para. The evidence of Preetpal Singh Sodhi, the complainant, was fully corroborated by the evidence of M.N. Sampat Kumar PW2, who was a punch witness and who was to accompany the complainant. Stop. Even this witness specifically says that after the signatures were obtained on exhibits P5 to P8, the respondent accused collected the books and came to the parking place where his scooter was parked, and he was followed by the complainant and that when Preetpal Singh Sodhi PW1 asked for a copy of the agreement book already signed, stop.